Hello, my name's Angharad and I've worked in the customer service team for about 6 months now. We use positive language when we're speaking to our customers as it gives the customer a better experience and it creates a better relationship with the customer and achieves cooperation rather than argument and confrontation. That's brilliant, thank you. Did you know it takes an average person almost twice as long to understand a sentence that uses a negative approach than it does to understand a positive sentence?
I certainly can take you through some questions to see what I can do to help.
We avoid using words and phrases like unfortunately, obviously, no problem, I can only apologise. Give it a go. Instead of telling someone you'll try, tell them I will. Instead of telling someone you can't do, tell them I'm going to. I'm happy to help. Swap words like obviously for words like of course, perhaps, unfortunately, for nothing, or an empathy statement. Words like no problem for I'm happy to help, it's a pleasure.